Alright, tubers. This has just been from overnight. When I got home from work, there was nothing. Not one iota of snow. The truck is covered. The driveway is covered. It's just terrible. It sucks. The street is covered. I only heard the plow go down the street once. This is terrible. We're in the middle of a blizzard. Alright, tubers, I'm headed out in this weather. We'll see if we can get it through this without getting stuck. Even though I got four-wheel drive, they get stuck too. Alright, we'll catch you later. Things are really bad out here, tubers. The mailman is stuck. I got to get back in the truck here. Well, tubers, the postal truck got hit. That's what the problem was with that. Here's seagulls. Look at the seagulls. They're just sitting on the damn parking lot. You'd swear they were froze to it. Alright, that's it for now. The storm date for Ohio. Up ahead of us, they're gang plowing. I don't know whether you can see that. I'm headed up to the grocery store now. I gotta get some supplies before it really gets bad. But they got 3 plows going. Alright for now.